Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto play pause music for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. You have to start by open Philips headphones application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right bottom. At the third line we have autoplay pause, so it's disabled by default, and to enable it you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. So what this mode do, when you listen to music and remove your earbuds, it will stop your music, and when you put it back, it will resume the music. To disable this mode, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!